Hey guys, welcome back to Geeks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Webp to JPEG. So right here on my desktop, I have a web picture that I will use to show you how to convert it to JPEG. So you may have wanted to download an image in JPEG format, but the downloaded format is in web picture. So there's no need to stress yourself. What you need to do is to go to your Webp file. Once you are there, right click on it. Next, go to open with option from this pop. Once you're here, now you need to hover to your next pop-up options and click on paint, and your Webp file will be opened with paint. Now the next thing you need to do, in the top left hand corner of your screen, you need to click on file, then come down here and click on save as option, and a different format will open up on your right. Now you need to select a JPEG picture from these formats right here. Next, on this window, you can rename your picture or your file the way you want, or you can leave it as it is, and you can also choose specific location you want your file to be saved. So once you're done, just click on save button and your Webp file will be converted to JPEG. As you can see on my desktop here, this is the Webp file I had before, and this now, and the other one right here is the JPEG format I wanted. I was able to get it easily by using paint on my PC. So guys, that's how you can convert a Webp to JPEG. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.